Hello gems, my name is T. Welcome back to Gem City Budgets. And today's video is my Grow with Grace video where I have $100 in prop money and then saving challenges that I am saving for. That's going to take me about a year or so to do. So it's kind of like a long-term savings. So yeah, let's get started. I have this saved $2,026 in 2026. You can find this in my Etsy or my Kofi. So let's roll and see. We are going to pink, baby, pink. And let's do this 26. Perfect. And this is going towards taxes for next year, 25 and 6. All right, next is vacation. Vacation is created by Mint Dough, says $1,200. And let's go ahead and do this 20. Perfect. So let's do 10, 20. Hit enter. Next is senior year. And this is created by Reynolds Budget. I kind of wanted to finish this, but I might finish this next week. So let's go ahead and do $10. That sound good? Or should I do what should I do? Let's do 13. Let's do the biggest ones. Let's do 6 and 7 for 13. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13. And then we can always come back to never let them dim your light. Because we only got a couple more dollars. So we might be able to come back to this. We'll see. Or we'll finish that one next week. Month ahead. We're going to get it right this week. So this is created by Champagne's Corner for month ahead. And we're just going to scratch. Let's do this one. Times 2. Okay, so let's go here. And that is the internet. And that one, $5 times 2. That's $10. Okay. Let's go ahead and do our $10. Woo. Okay. And that's month ahead. Next, we got emergency funds. We're getting this right this week. So this is created by Budget Introvert, says 1,200 plus. Like I said, it's going to emergency. So we finished that page. We finished this page. We're working on this page and this page. So let's go. I don't know if I want to do all of these. I don't know. Should I? I don't know. Now I'm thinking I was supposed to write. I might go back and put like 2, 2, 2, and 2. I think that was I should have been doing, but I don't know. You guys know I bet you just be making up my own stuff. So we gonna say this row is even. So we're gonna roll a d6. And we got an odd, of course. So odd is $2. So I'm gonna do it right this time. So $2. Let's play this a couple times. Let's say even is fine. And we got, see, I didn't cheat. That's a 4. So even is $4. So let's put $1 back and grab a 5. Let's go. Should we do it again? Yeah, one more time. Oh, I forgot to say. Okay, let's make this one even again. And we got an odd. And odd is $2. All right. Oop. All right, and we got $5, $6, $7, $8 going in here. Not too bad. We're not going to do an ice cream cone this time. Nah. I want to kind of try to finish up this page. Okay. Something like that. You know, I don't know. I don't know, guys. So that is $8 going to emergency funds. And then we got the most basic Save It Challenge book. Saves $15K. And I think I made a decision of this going towards student loans. I know. I wanted to be for a vacation or something, but we're going to have to do student loans. Let's see what we got left. Should we try to finish this? Let's roll a D6. If we get a 6, it'd be my choice. We got a 6. Oh, we can do 4 and 2. Oh, I didn't even see that. So that's $6 there. So let's do a blue. Let's do a blue down here. Somebody is cutting their grass. I am trying to record. I don't think you guys can hear it, but it's pretty loud. I can't blame them. It's a nice day out. And it's, what time is it? It's noon right now. So we got 4, and let's do 2. Let's go with an orange. Let's do this roll. Finish this roll out. Roll out. And then we'll roll again, because I think we got a couple more dollars left. All right. Once I pay off my last credit card, we really get into the nitty-gritty of student loans, because do you guys want to know how much I owe? $80K. I know. Some serious. 5, 6. But yeah, $80K. But it's pretty expensive. It's crazy how expensive it is just to try to elevate your life, you know? So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17 more dollars. So let's go. Let's roll again. 1. We don't have a 1. Really? 5. All right, let's do a 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And let's color in a 5. Let's finish this row. And this be the second $100 that we have done. What color should we do? Orange again? Yeah, let's do orange again. All right, we already put the $5 there. So that's the most basic saving challenge. And we almost done with the second 100. So what's that? What we put in here? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, $11. All right, let's throw that in there. And let's put this last couple dollars in vacation. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, $12. That sounds like a great idea. So $12. Let's do let's do looking to see. Do I have a 12? I have a 12 here, but I kind of want to finish these rows. I know I'm kind of crazy, but let's see. Let's do 7 and 5. That sounds like $12. So 7 here, and then 5 right here. Because I feel like when I go all over the place, I feel like I'm not making progress, even though I am. But that's just how my brain works. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and $12 more is going into vacation. All right, gems, that is it. That is $100 put into our Grow with Grace binder. Trying to hurry up before the lawnmower gets any louder. But thank you, everyone, for your love and support. If you want to continue to follow me in this financial journey, please subscribe to the channel or share with a friend. And remember to stay magical. Bye, gems.